Installing Superflow with Hubspot is super easy. First, go to the Superflow onboarding flow. Here, we'll be asked to enter the URL where we will be deploying our Hubspot page with Superflow installed. To get that URL, go to your Hubspot page builder. Go to Settings in the top right corner, and then here you can grab the URL. Let's paste in that URL and move on to the next step. After that, click on Other and then click Next. We'll then be given this code snippet that we will be adding to our Hubspot page. Copy the code snippet and then click Yes, I've saved. Now if I go back to my Hubspot page builder and then scroll down in the settings section, if I scroll down until I get to the additional code snippets section, I can paste in that code snippet right here under footer HTML. Now I'm going to save, and then I'm going to click Update to deploy my Hubspot page with Superflow installed. Now if I go back to my Superflow onboarding page, I can click Yes, I've published, and then I can verify that I've installed. If everything installed correctly, I'll be taken to my Hubspot page where I can see my Superflow toolbar installed in the bottom right corner. Now with Superflow installed, I can do several things. First, I can highlight any text and leave a comment that way. I can draw a box and leave a comment that way. Or I can hover over any element in the page and leave a comment on that as well. And that is how you install Superflow with Hubspot.